Hey there, fellow Gen Xers, and everyone who remembers a time when AI meant AOL Instant Messenger. Today, we're diving into the most searched AI topic on Earth, the best prompts for ChatGPT. You've probably typed questions like, write me an email, or summarize this, and thought, ChatGPT's kinda basic. Well, that's because you're giving it boring prompts. I'm here to fix that. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be prompting like a pro, getting better answers faster, and maybe even outsmarting your coworkers who still think ChatGPT writes everything in Shakespearean English. Oh, and if you stay till the end, I'll give you 5 insanely useful prompt templates you can copy and paste today. They'll make you sound like the boss of the bots. Think of ChatGPT like your favorite barista. If you just say, coffee, you'll get coffee. But if you say, grande oat milk caramel macchiato, 2 pumps, no foam, you get perfection. Prompts work the same way. The more specific you are, the better, faster, smarter your result. ChatGPT doesn't guess. It needs direction. You're the director, it's the actor. Make it perform. One of my favorite power moves is the role prompt. Instead of saying, write me a social media caption, say, act as a Gen X marketing strategist who writes punchy, witty captions for Instagram. Make it funny and concise. Boom. Suddenly, ChatGPT shows up wearing a denim jacket and quoting The Breakfast Club. Okay, not literally, but your results? 1,000 times sharper. Next up, context plus goal. Here's the trick. Tell it what you're doing, what you need, and who it's for. Example. I'm building a YouTube channel for adults who grew up in the 80s and 90s. Write a script intro that's nostalgic, but doesn't rely on too many pop culture references. By giving that context, you stop ChatGPT from defaulting to generic fluff, and instead make it your creative buddy. When you need complex results, use sequential prompts. Don't just dump a wall of text. Tell ChatGPT, summarize this article in 3 points. Turn each point into a catchy headline. Write a short video script from those. Stacking steps gives you laser-focused results and keeps the conversation clean. No virtual spaghetti mess. This one's key. Always give examples or tone direction. If you want humor, say, in a witty, Gen X, self-aware tone, like a stand-up comic who's tired but still crushing it. If you want something corporate, say that. ChatGPT mirrors what you give it. Think of it like karaoke. The better your cue, the better the performance. All right, promised as always, here are 5 copy-paste prompts you can use right now. Act as who, social media creator, admin assistant, etc., and create for YouTube, Insta, my director. Act as an English teacher or journalism major. Analyze my text and give suggestions to make it sound more confident. Explain this concept to me like I'm a 10-year-old who still remembers floppy disks. Create a content calendar with 10 ideas that combine X and Y. Review my writing for clarity and flow, but add some Gen X wit. Use them, tweak them, own them. They'll make you look like the smartest person in any AI conversation. If this helped you see ChatGPT in a whole new way, hit that like button, because it tells the YouTube algorithm I'm not just yelling into the digital void. Subscribe if you want more no-fluff AI tips for creative humans, and share this with a friend who still thinks ChatGPT just writes essays for teenagers. I'm the Gen X AI prompt queen, reminding you, the secret to great AI isn't coding, it's conversation. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.